Hey everyone, today I am going to tell you how to make money online in 2024 without technical skills. These days, making money online without having any technical skills is very easy. I am going to tell you a few strategies that can help you in earning a good amount of money. Firstly, we have ChatGPT. To access ChatGPT, you have to open chat.openai.com in your web browser. When it comes to writing ChatGPT, it is one of the best tools. Let us start searching for top-ranked books. As you can see, it has generated the names of different books from different categories. Now you just need to pick up the book that you want to work on. Copy its name from here. Next, open a new tab and go to Amazon.com. In the search bar, paste the name of the book that we have copied. As you can see, different sellers are selling its audiobook for different prices. Next, save the cover photo of any audiobook you like to your device. Just like these sellers, you can create your own audiobooks and start selling them on Amazon. You just need to read and record the content of the book, and without having a technical skill, you can earn a good amount of money with it. Making money online is like a magic trick, only instead of pulling a rabbit out of a hat, you are pulling profits out of your laptop. Next, open Printify.com in a new tab. With Printify, you can create print-on-demand products and sell them on various channels. To get started, you will need to set up a store on Printify if you don't already have one. After creating your store, you can connect it to platforms such as Shopify, TikTok, eBay, and WooCommerce. From there, you can select the products you want to work with by clicking on Store Settings in the catalog. You can customize your store by adding a name and other relevant details. Once your store is set up, head to the My Products section and click on the Create Order button located in the top right corner. This will allow you to customize different products and add your designs to them. Printify allows you to create and customize various items, such as clothing, accessories, and household items. To increase your sales, it is recommended to personalize hoodies and other products. After selecting your desired item, you can edit it by changing its color, adding designs and text, and even uploading your designs. Ensure that you add designs to both the front and back of your product for better visibility. To increase your sales, you can use popular topics or characters, especially during Christmas, Halloween, or after a recent movie release. To upload your design, click on My Device and select the desired design. With Printify, you have the option to add designs from your library or choose from their collection of templates. Additionally, you can include graphics on your product to make it stand out. To make your product more attractive, try adding text and changing the font, color, and style. Additionally, creating hoodies or t-shirt designs for specific football or cricket teams during the match season can boost your sales. After customizing your product, preview it to see a mock-up of how it will look. Once you are satisfied with the design, click the Save button, then get your product printed. You can sell your product on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay, as they are great ways to make money online without needing technical skills. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.